Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afroz. I hope you are doing well wherever you are located. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. Today's look is gonna be about soft, sophisticated, but yet simple. The whole video is about that. I will be showing step by step how to achieve this look. If you are interested in knowing how I've created this look, please continue watching the video. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and do enjoy the video. Each one of us have different expectations from makeup that we do, right? I'm not sure what is your expectation, but my expectation mostly is that I should be presentable, I should have even skin tone, I should look good in pictures if they are clicked. I should not, after clicking the picture, I should not say, oh, probably I should have done makeup that day or I've looked better in that picture. So I don't want to miss out some days like that. Maybe some days I want to do very simple, no makeup look. Sometimes I want to do a bit sophisticated look. Depends on the mood completely, guys, and what you are wearing. You can just, do your makeup accordingly. But today's look is completely going to be simple and sophisticated. Let's start off today's look with something which I have fallen in love with lately, a serum which has done wonders on my skin. This is a Niacinamide serum from Tony Moly. I have started using this product since last 2 months, and I can say that this has done wonders. In what I mean is, I have a lot of acne scars, or the acne, when it dries off, it gives the fresh mark, some old scars. So this product has really helped me in fading out those marks. I see a huge difference from the time I started using it, and I have got compliments. Really, some people have told me that that without me wearing foundation, they think I am wearing a foundation, and one of the credit goes to this product. So let's get started with it. So I am taking few drops. You will see as soon as I apply on my skin, it gets dissolved, it gets absorbed. And I generally take this product, I take this serum and dab it. This not only helps, minimizing my large pores that I have, brightens my skin, it brightens really well. And also reduces the scar effect on the skin which has come from acne. My skin was much better, but since I got dengue, recently, that effect of this product has gone, and I'm again starting with my skincare, and hopefully I should be back in shape like I was a month ago. This is a rice ceramide moisturizer from the Face Shop. One thing we need to be precautionate or careful about when you apply these kind of serums which are acidic in nature, do not step out of home without a sunscreen, guys. That is something very important. So be careful. Also, these two combinations of this niacinamide and this moisturizer has gone really well for me. This is again a very thin formula. It just gets dissolved, absorbed in your skin immediately. Doesn't take much time. It doesn't leave greasiness. It is perfect under makeup. I'm just waiting for this to, settle down. While we let that to settle down, let's do the eyebrows. I generally feel the time you let your skin to absorb all the skincare products you do before you start off with the makeup, your makeup turns out to be good. For eyebrows, today I have taken this brow wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think this is in the shade Granite. Yeah, it is in the shade Granite. This eyebrow pencil is again one of the iconic products. If you are aware, you know it. It has very thin hair-like strokes right? Helps you to have the defined eyebrows you need, because the pencil, you see, it's really thin in size. So it's one of the best products in the market for eyebrows, is what I can say. Let's go with the primer. I'm using this primer from Granite. This is called Bollywood Filter. I have taken only this much of the product, if you can see. Not much is required. I'm just going to apply that on my cheek area where I have large pores. And the forehead area. This product really helps blurring out those large pores. I was not aware of this product earlier, but now that I'm aware and I've used it, I have started enjoying it. And mainly, it doesn't make my makeup look greasy or sticky. Moving on to the foundation, I have taken Makeup Forever. This is in shade. I like this foundation a lot. It has an HD finish to the skin. It gives good, it is not full coverage, it is medium coverage, so it's okay because I'm not stepping or I'm going to be at home. But it gives a nice radiant look, and it doesn't turn your skin oily end of the day. It is a very thin liquid, not very thick. There's no hard work required to blend this into skin, as you can see. Coverage wise also, I'm sure it's not hiding all my acne scars or redness in the skin, but it is okay. We can do that with concealer. The finish of the foundation is really nice, for which I love the product. People who do not like very thick foundation liquids, or which feels also heavy on the skin, you want some foundation that after wearing also it feels like you're not worn anything, I think this is the best one for that reason. Because of my oily textured skin, and most of the times I have acne or acne marks or scars, if I can say that, I usually prefer full coverage foundation. You will very hardly hear from me that a medium coverage foundation that I'm using. But this one, guys, this is something I am not able to give away, though it's medium coverage. I just like the formula, and the way it settles on in the skin brings that shine and radiance. It's very good. It's also buildable. If I put 2-3 layers of this product on my cheek, it's not gonna look cakey or heavy. So if I'm putting one more layer of the product, it does help me cover the marks. Moving on to a color corrector, I'm using this from Huda Beauty in the shade Peach. Combining that with a concealer from Makeup Forever again. This is Ultra HD concealer in the shade 33. Even the concealer is very thin in formula, not in thicker version of liquid. So it is easy to blend. I am taking a little bit more. This will help brighten the under eye area. I am going to blend all of this with the foundation brush we used earlier, so that I don't see two different colors on the face. So people who want no makeup look, glowy skin, I think this foundation is a very good option for all those looks. And this also is suitable for all skin types. It's not only that it goes best with dry skin. In my opinion, it best suits for all skin types. Taking the same concealer brush we used earlier and the concealer from Makeup Forever, I'm going to take a very little product on top of my eyelid as a base. to blend this out with the beauty blender, because you see I have deposited an extra product which is not required. So let's do that with the beauty blender. This is evenly spread out. And now let's go with the setting powder. For today's look, I have chosen Huda Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade, okay, this is in the shade Banana Bread. I have taken the product, buffing the extra on my hand and just taking what is required under the eyes, going through my T-zone area. Since we have also used the concealer on top of the eyelids, I want to do the setting powder on that part as well. If you do not do this, in case you have used a concealer as a base on the eyelid, and if you go directly with your eyeshadow, that becomes patchy. So make sure you set that up with the setting powder before you go with the eye makeup. For the eyes today, I am going with the palette from Colorbar. This is called Divine Nectar, and I'll be just using one shade on my base, and that will be this one. This is called Blaze. What I have realized is when you do not use a primer or eye primer or concealer on top of your eyelids, if you're going with little lighter shade of eyeshadow, and if you have like dark eyes like I have at the moment, the right shade that we have chosen from the eyeshadow palette doesn't really come out the way it has to. So that's why I use a concealer as a base before going with the eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm taking very less product on the brush and tapping off the excess before I take it into my eyelid. I prefer building it up than putting a lot of product and trying to blend it out. I'm done with the eyeshadow, guys. Today I want to do a bit of eyeliner. I'm not going with the eyeliner pen. What I have thought is, I have done this in the past and it helps me save time from making errors. So I have taken this pencil from Faces Canada. It's called Ultimate Pro. This is in black shade. I will take an angular brush, take a product on this angular brush, rub it off like this, and I will draw the liner with this brush. Generally when I'm doing a liner, I keep looking into different angles, different mirrors, just to make sure the line is perfect. I'm sure we all do that. We are done with the eyes, guys. What I would like to do as a next step in this makeup is do a bit of Kajal to have a nice defined eyes, for which I'll be using this Kajal from Makeup Forever. This is in black again. This is a smudge proof Kajal and it's not shiny black. I have just done it on the waterline alone. I have not brought the Kajal a little lower, as you can see. As next step, using a pencil brush, taking the same shade that we used for eyeshadow, this shade, I will be using that to have a line underneath the Kajal, giving it more shade to the eye. In today's look, I have chosen Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer. This is in the shade 3 Tan. Happy with this look, a little bit on the nose area. I'm done with bronzing, guys. I just love the shade of this bronzer. Every time I use this product, I keep admiring myself. I don't know why. The shade is so beautiful. But yeah, need to work patiently with it. Moving on to the blush. I'm using this cheek palette from Tarte. This basically has 3 shades here. We have a blush, we have a highlighter, and we have a bronzer. This bronzer is also very good. I could have used this today, but I wanted to do the Tilbury. Okay, we'll use the blush from this palette today. The blush is in the shade Escape. A very little. I am slowly dapping it on the skin, not rubbing the brush. I wish you could feel the pressure I'm putting on the brush so that I have perfect amount of blush on my cheek and not too much. Moving on to the mascara. This product, I must say that I got influenced by internet. This firstly was not available in India when I got it, but I had asked a friend of mine to get it from the US when they were traveling. So the YSL mascara that I got influenced, and I do not regret the buy. It is a bit pricey, but it's worth the money. It really gives that curl, the length, the volume, anything that you desire on your, eyelashes. This product fulfills all of those needs and requirements. So let's go with it. You will soon see the difference that I was talking about. It is easily buildable. How you want to make it look dramatic, subtle. I can already see that it's making my lashes look bigger, longer. Can you see the difference from the side to the side? There's a very evident difference, right? How do you like this? I love the effect of the mascara. I want to go applying this in the lower lashes as well, so that I have a fuller lasher look this time. Taking the tip of the wand, slowly going with the lower lash. I actually cannot do my eye makeup like liner and mascara and talk at the same time. Sorry if I'm going slow. I don't know about you guys, but I just love the look, especially after applying the mascara. The whole enhancement it has given to my eyes and the makeup around the eyes is just beautiful. Do you agree with me? Okay, let's move forward. Quickly, let's do the lip. I have taken this lip liner from DENONA. This is in the shade Luna. I'm pairing this up with the lipstick from Colorbar. This is in the shade Handcuff 006. It is a beautiful brown. This is the final look, guys. We are done with today's makeup look. Soft but yet sophisticated. Simple also. If you like this look, please give a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to hear from you that what you think about this look, and if there's something more that you want to know, leave your comments. I would surely get back to you. Thank you for watching. Have a very good day and keep smiling.